In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Git on your PC. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to open any browser in your system. Then you're going to type into the search box for Git and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here top link from the official website of Git. So you're going to click on that. Then you will be redirected to the website of Git. And if you see at the lower right side of your screen, you will be able to see here an option to download for Windows. So you're going to click on that. Then you will be able to see here multiple options which says 32-bit or 64-bit. So you're going to download Git setup file according to your PC. If you want to check if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, you're going to minimize and go back to your desktop. And then you're going to right click on this PC icon on your desktop. Then you're going to click on properties. After that, in front of system type, you will be able to check whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. And once you have checked that, you can go back to your browser and click on the setup file which you want to download. Then just wait until the setup file of Git has been downloaded. And once it's done, we are going to navigate to the place where you have downloaded the setup file of Git. And once you have found that, you can just double click on that. Here is the public license agreement of Git, so you can just read it out and then you can click on next. Then you can check the location in your PC where Git will be downloaded. As you can see here, it is only 335 MBs. So if you want to change the location, you can click on browse. Otherwise, you can just click on next. Then I will suggest you to go with the default options and click on next multiple times. Then just wait until the installation of Git has been completed. And as you can see here, Git has been installed into my device. Then you can just click on finish.